do you want? Right, move.
Fucking hell. Fucking hell, record that one.
And all the little bugs that rise to the top, they're not allowed to eat any insects, even if it's tiny.
Fucking hell. Yes, they got him.
With sprinkles, and you've got the banana orbit.
Yes.
You know what? I wasn't convinced before, but now I'm wholeheartedly convinced.
You see, there's an excellent graphic at the bottom as well, which includes. It's a proposal for future work. It is clear that much of fusion physics is based on food analogies. This has served us well in the past. I mean,
fusion's not yet possible, but
not 100% sure about that. Therefore, the clear conclusion is that we must reverse engineer the processes and innovate new physics based on unusually shaped foods that are not yet included in fusion physics to make new discoveries in the field, suggesting the following.
که با ابریشم عنکبوت بافته شده. حالا کی بافتتش؟ 100 تا انسان تو این نیستش. مگه چیزای ابریشمی دیگه رو ندیدید؟ فرش‌های ابریشمی، لباس‌های ابریشمی و خیلی چیزهای دیگه. ولی ابریشم اونها با این فرق میکنه. ابریشم اونها
Suck your mom, suck your dad, suck your family, dickhead.
It's quite a big bottle.
50 mil.
I was going to say.
And you don't need much.
No. That goes a long way. But don't you find it's a nice kind of fresh soapy smell, but with a manly hint? Don't you find?
Yes. And such a sort of contemporary bottle.
Well, it was